Hello guys, and welcome back to a new video on this channel. I'm Sabit from CodeRevolution. So a new update was launched for Aimogen, and in the latest version you will find the new OmniBlock, which will be able to trigger your OmniBlock queue using WordPress events. So until now, OmniBlock queues were able to be triggered only by scheduling, so you could set, for example, every hour to run a queue, but now this will be much more dynamic and you will be able to set custom triggers for your OmniBlock queues. So for example, you will have this new OmniBlock type WordPress Event Trigger. You will be able to find it here at the bottom in the trigger blocks besides the webhook listener WordPress Event Trigger. So if you add a WordPress Event Trigger OmniBlock, you will see that you can set up you can select from a ton of events. You can also code your custom events using PHP, and you can set these custom events, or you can simply select from these events and you can publish a post, and this OmniBlock queue will be fired, will be started. You can update a post, you can delete a post at user login, at user deleted, at comment inserted, at WooCommerce order completed or placed or failed or refunded, contact form sent, plugin activated, theme switched, and some more. So you can set very interesting ideas for this. So for example, you can start an OmniBlock trigger when a post is published, and you can send an email with custom text using this event. So for example, let's add an AI text OmniBlock, and we can set here that write an email text that this post was published on WordPress. And we have here the event parameters. These are the event parameters which are passed to this trigger in the WordPress backend. So when a post is published, you will have these parameters. So for example, let's add event parameter 1, and in the next line event parameter 2. So usually this is the post ID, and the event parameter 2 will be details about the post. And we instruct the AI that, hey, write an email about this post that was published, and we can add another OmniBlock, send email. We can add this OmniBlock, and we can add the subject, new post published, and the content will be the text generated by the OmniBlock ID 8. This is the OmniBlock ID 8, the text AI text generator. So we can set also the email addresses, so we can add our custom email at .com. Okay, and this OmniBlock queue, each time I publish a new post, the AI will write some custom text, and it will send an email based on the newly published post. But there are many possibilities. As you can see, there are many triggers here. So for example, each time a WooCommerce order is placed, you can send a custom email using AI text. Each time an order is refunded, you can send an email, or even more, you can select other action from here. You can call a webhook. You can do many things here. You can also wait for amount of time. This is also a new OmniBlock. You can save a new WordPress post. You can send data to social networks like Threads, LinkedIn, Reddit, YouTube community, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest. You can save to file, and there are many more OmniBlock types here, as you can see. So the idea is that you can do almost anything with this OmniBlock feature, and actually you can even edit posts which are published with OmniBlocks now, because you will be able to use this trigger to get the post data which was published, and you will be able to update the post using the save to WordPress OmniBlock type, as this will also be able to use the ID of the post which will be edited. So the post ID can be set here. You can extract the ID using AI from the parameters passed to the post publishing event in WordPress. Okay, so other ideas were, let me think a bit. You can create other automation when a user registers. You can generate a custom welcome post or tutorial for the user, or anything else. So basically the sky is the limit with this new feature of Aimogen. So if you have ideas, suggestions, let me know in the comments. Aimogen is linked in this video description. As always, thank you for watching, and I hope this feature will be useful for you guys. OmniBlocks will give you a new you will break limits and will break you free, and will give you more possibilities for AI and AI stuff which you can build. So this is all for today. Thank you for watching. Until then, like, share, subscribe, it's really appreciated. I go now back to work on Aimogen. Bye bye.